Hey, this is Brian. Today is Thursday, the 10th of April, and just recording a recap from our Forex Live class. Today we put in some trades for the Euro USD, the Pound USD, and we looked at the US Yen, but did not take a trade there. So just recapping the trades that we put on, we had a buy order on the Euro USD. We had a buy here at 38.50 area. Which is right here. We initially set it at the thermal grid, and then I was looking at areas of support, and it looked like it might be a little better off down here at this 38.50. So I actually had adjusted the trade after we put it on in class, and talked about that. Price moved pretty much right to it, but didn't get us in. It was just off by a couple of tenths of a pip, kept us out of this trade. So price moved down and reversed, so we weren't in that trade. We also parked a sell order though here at 38.98. We parked it here at 38.98. It was a channel top identified on the data report from Forex Joe. It was the end of a range. Looking at our average daily range information here, we said, okay, how far does this currency typically move top to bottom? And we identified that this would be near the end of a range, and it was also near a whole number of 3,900, so 38.98, 3,900 area, right there. So all those things combined made us feel pretty comfortable about picking this for a potential reversal, even though it's counter trend. We still liked this for a bounce the first time. So while we didn't get into a trade here, this one we missed just by a couple of tenths of a pip. But hey, it's not horseshoes, right? It's trading. If it's not there, it's not there. But we ended up picking up 8 pips off of this so far. We got touched in. Really zero drawdown almost on this. Came back and took us for 8 pips on take profit 1. So we've locked in 8 pips. Our software has moved our stop loss to break even plus 1. So the worst that we can do on this trade is 10 pips. If it comes back against us, we'll be taken out for 1 and 1. So 8 pips, 1 and 1 for 10 pips. If it continues moving, we'll take our second piece of profit down here at this 38, what is that, 38.80, 38.81 area. So, maybe we'll pick up a few more pips on that here in just a moment. We'll see. Either way, profitable trade, locked in. The buy, since it didn't trigger, I've gone ahead and taken that trade off the table. Here for the pound USD, same thing. We had 2 trades. We had a sell order on up here at 67.96, so 67.96, and we traded it here for a couple of reasons. One, it's a red thermal grid, so support resistance level for us, and 2, it looked like it trading with the trend. If we pulled back, we were looking to be able to get in here and continue this move down. Price didn't get there. We're coming into the London close, so I've gone ahead and taken that off. We also had a buy order on down here, 67.57. Support resistance line. It was also a channel bottom, so we felt good about going ahead and parking a trade here. Is also the end of a range. So, looking at how far this currency pair typically moves and how far it had moved, if we got down here, we felt good, even though it was counter, to the current day's trend. We felt good about parking this trade. We picked up 7.5 pips on take profit 1, 12.2 on take profit 2, and then we closed that last lot for 27.6. So good day today. We picked up some pips in class, and these are all trades that we were able to set, and we knew our maximum risk going in. Maximum risk is your entry point to your stop loss, and just let the trades do their thing, and we're able to come out with a nice positive result without having to be here to manage those trades. So nice end result. Any trades that didn't kick in, this silver up here, for example, didn't kick in, so I've gone ahead and taken that off the table and canceled it. So the only trades that we have open right now would be this Euro USD trade that we talked about earlier. That's my only trade that's open and on the table. So there we have it. We'll see you again. Our next class is Tuesday, so we'll see you Tuesday morning to trade live in the markets again. Have a great day.